Stop scrolling. If you skip this cooldown after your workout, you're secretly slowing your results. You trained hard. You pushed your limits. But if you end your workout right now and walk away, your body will remember it tomorrow as pain, stiffness, and slow recovery. This video is for busy men and women who train hard, who don't have time for injuries, and who don't want to wake up sore, tight, and exhausted the next day. If you want strength without pain, results without stiffness, and fitness that actually lasts, this cooldown is for you. Imagine waking up tomorrow, pain-free, relaxed, and feeling stronger instead of stiff legs, tight back, and aching joints. That difference is decided in the last 5 to 10 minutes after your workout. Cool-down exercises gently lower your heart rate, relax tight muscles, and speed up recovery after every workout. They are not optional. They are part of training smart. After exercise, your heart rate is high, muscles are tight, blood is pumping fast. If you stop suddenly, blood can pool in your legs, muscles stay tight, recovery slows down. A cool-down helps your body transition safely from workout mode to rest mode. Before we begin, remember, move slowly, breathe deeply, no pain. Only gentle stretch, focus on relaxation, not intensity. Let's start. Walk slowly, in place. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Exhale through your mouth for 6 seconds. This lowers heart rate, calms your nervous system, signals your body that the workout is over. Feel your breathing slow down. Slowly tilt your head to the right, hold for 10 seconds. Switch sides then. Roll shoulders backward 10 times. Roll forward 10 times. Roll forward 10 times. This removes tension built during lifting, running, or HIIT workouts. Clasp hands behind your back. Lift arms gently, open your chest. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Then stretch one arm across your chest. Switch sides. Perfect after push-ups, chest day. Upper body workouts, extend one leg forward, bend the other knee, reach toward your toes, hold 20 seconds. Switch sides. This reduces leg soreness, tight calves, knee stress, essential after leg day or cardio. Stand tall, grab your ankle behind you, pull gently toward glutes, keep knees close. Switch legs after 20 seconds. This protects your knees and lower back. Stand with feet shoulder width, slowly bend forward. Let your arms hang, relax your neck and back, breathe deeply. This releases spinal tension and calms the entire body. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, repeat 3 times. Feel your body relax. Your workout is now complete. Skipping cooldown doesn't save time, it costs recovery, energy, and results. If you want faster muscle recovery, less soreness, better performance tomorrow, never skip this. Train hard. Recover smart. Your future body will thank you.